end of the day and didn't have enough footage recorded for what I thought I was going to do for today's video, and then it got dark. So I'm bringing you along while I cook dinner. We're just doing shredded cabbage and onion, sauteed with salt and pepper, a little bit of oil. We'll finish it with some butter. I'm going to put some turkey kielbasa in with that, and we're going to make some pierogis to serve with it. And then I'm also going to put some cinnamon rolls in the oven. They're just, out of a can, but just a nice little dessert. I don't know, cinnamon rolls go with cabbage and onions and kielbasa, but that's what I have in the fridge, so that's what we're going to use today.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand, fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Back home, sweet home, where the heroes go to get all cleaned up. Anyway, let's call it a day. Beautiful woman, I felt it deep inside. Beautiful woman, people are talking me down. Beautiful woman, you try to tell me what's right. The road gets longer, you turn all grey into white. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in a doubt. Beautiful woman, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Just the way you are, beautiful, beautiful woman. You're a beautiful woman. You're a beautiful woman. I can see it on the horizon, spray painted in black and blue. I can feel the storm winds rising. Can you feel them too? Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. But just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flames, once more into the fray.
Watching dinner as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next video.
I can see it